Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious Guyanese style dal recipe. Of course, all the same ingredients will definitely be listed in the description of the video, so you can now check it out. If this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe. For this recipe, my ingredients consist of salt, garlic, hot pepper, chicken cubes, split peas, also known as dal peas, black pepper. You do have the option as far as adding masala, jeera, pinch of curry powder. Those are totally optional. As for better result, you do have the option as far as soaking these in advance overnight or 3 or 4 hours before cooking. But here we are guys, after 1 hour. As you know, there's a change in size and also a reduce in water. So to get started guys, what I have is about 3 cups of water. You definitely want to go ahead and bring this to a boil. First thing first, you want to go ahead and add your salt. Next you want to go ahead and add your split peas. Guys, my peas actually been boiling for about 15 minutes. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some curry powder, chicken cube seasoning, and also a pinch of black pepper. Also, which is an option, if you have a pressure cooker, you certainly can use that as well. So at this point, you may want to go ahead and add at least 2 cups of water. So guys, at this point, we have about 5 or 6 minutes remaining. At this point, you may want to go ahead and reduce your temperature. So here we are guys, which is a crucial step. You may go ahead with a potato smasher, or if you have a swizzle stick, you certainly can use that as well. Next up guys, you want to be very cautious. At this point, you're trying to make a puree. So at this point, what you're trying to do is basically purify your peas. So you just want to go ahead and basically twist it around, or you can smash it, whichever you're comfortable using. You can certainly can. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way. At this point, guys, you may want to go ahead and taste and adjust for any salt or any ingredients you may want to add at this point. You certainly can. At this point, I'm all finished smashing my dal. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and sit it aside for a few minutes. Next step, guys, you want to go with a small pan and at least 2 tablespoons of oil. Your chopped garlic. Also jeera, also known as cumin seed. So what I'm actually doing here, guys, is basically burning my garlic and also my cumin seed, also known as jeera. Perfect. At this point, you may want to be very gentle. Also caution. Perfect. So here's my finished dish, guys. Like the weekly videos. Enjoy the video recipe. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Delicious Guyanese dhal recipe. Until next time.